everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find and use the morph transition. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. First of all, to add the morph transition, you should have the same object in multiple slides. Let's go and click on Insert and insert a shape. Let's insert this shape, for example. And now let's go to the slide and right click on it, then click on duplicate slide. And now let's move it here and change the size of it. We can also add some 3D models if you have some in your computer. We can add more shapes. Let's add another shape like a square, for example. Copy it and paste it here. And let's add another slide. Right click and click on duplicate slide. And here, let's move this rectangle to the left. And let's resize this shape. And now, click on slideshow and click from beginning. And as you can see, there is no animation. Now to add the morph transition, go to transitions and select morph. Now click on apply to all to apply the morph transition to all slides. And here you can change the duration and you can add a sound. Now let's go back to slideshow and click from beginning. And now, as you can see, the shapes move smoothly in the presentation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.